Did you know that the Eiffel Tower was initially intended to be a temporary structure? That's right. This iconic symbol of France was originally built as a 20-year exhibit for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, or World Fair, held in Paris. The man behind this masterpiece, Gustave Eiffel, intended it to demonstrate France's industrial prowess to the world. But not everyone was thrilled with this new addition to the Parisian skyline. In fact, many locals decried it as an eyesore, an iron monstrosity that clashed with the city's classical architecture. There were petitions, protests, and a fair share of public outcry. Yet despite the controversy, the Eiffel Tower stood tall and proud, weathering the storm of public opinion. It wasn't long before this temporary exhibit transformed into a permanent fixture, a testament to the audacity of human ambition. And so, the Eiffel Tower, despite its rocky start, would soon become a symbol of French pride and engineering prowess. Building the Eiffel Tower was no small feat. Imagine the year 1887, where technology was limited and safety measures were almost non-existent. Yet, Gustave Eiffel's company embarked on a project that would transform the Parisian skyline forever. The construction process was a marvel of engineering and innovation. Over 7,000 tons of iron were used, assembled using more than 2.5 million rivets. The tower's parts were prefabricated off-site, a technique that was revolutionary for its time. This wasn't just a construction project, it was a symphony of precision and coordination, but the journey wasn't without its share of challenges. Gustave Eiffel had to convince a skeptical public and fight against fierce opposition from artists who saw the tower as an eyesore. Yet he held steadfast, his vision unwavering. In just 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days, the Eiffel Tower was complete, standing as a testament to human ingenuity. The Eiffel Tower is more than just a pretty sight, it's a functional structure with many uses. This iconic Parisian landmark, reaching skyward with its lattice ironwork, is a testament to the ingenuity of human engineering and design. But it's more than just a symbol of French elegance and grandeur. Its roles have been as diverse as the city it watches over. Initially, many Parisians despised the Eiffel Tower, considering it an eyesore, but its utility quickly became apparent. In the early 1900s, the Eiffel Tower served as a weather station, with meteorological equipment installed at its summit. It was here that scientists could measure wind speed, atmospheric pressure, and temperature, gathering crucial data to predict weather patterns. During World War I, the Eiffel Tower played a pivotal role as a communications tower. Its height, which had once been the subject of scorn, made it the ideal location for intercepting enemy radio communications and sending wireless signals to French troops on the battlefield. But the Eiffel Tower isn't just about science and war. Today, it's a bustling hub of tourism, drawing millions of visitors each year to its restaurants, shops, and viewing platforms. The tower's restaurants, Le Jules Verne and 58 Tour Eiffel, offer exquisite French cuisine with a panoramic view of the City of Lights. Then there are the shops, selling everything from miniature Eiffel Towers to French delicacies. And let's not forget the breathtaking views. From the topmost platform you can see the entire Parisian landscape unfold beneath you, from the winding Seine River to the majestic Notre Dame. So you see, the Eiffel Tower is a lot more than just a pretty sight. It's a symbol of Paris's history, its resilience, and its never-ending charm. It's a testament to the city's ability to adapt, to find purpose and beauty in even the most unlikely of places. From science to tourism, the Eiffel Tower has truly proven its worth. Today, the Eiffel Tower stands as one of the most visited monuments in the world. A beloved icon of France, it draws in millions every year with its timeless elegance and undeniable charm. From its twinkling lights to its panoramic views, the Eiffel Tower is more than just a structure of iron latticework. It's a symbol of innovation, resilience, and romance. A beacon that continues to illuminate the heart of Paris, casting a spell over all who gaze upon it. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its timeless charm and fascinating history. That's the Eiffel Tower for you, a symbol of French innovation and a beacon for tourists worldwide. We've taken a journey through its history, marveled at its construction, and explored its cultural influence. Today it stands tall, a testament to French ingenuity and a must-visit spot for any travel enthusiast. As we wrap up, let's remember the Eiffel Tower as more than just a landmark. It's a symbol of Parisian charm and elegance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content.